In a world where the only constant is change, the key to sustained growth lies in embracing the power of e-learning. The finance sector is more than just numbers. It's a realm of constant learning and adaptability. And e-learning is the only way the financiers pioneer ahead. Here are 5 benefits of integrating e-learning in the finance sector. Learning at your own pace, on your own terms. That's the beauty of on-demand learning, a game changer in the finance sector. A superior LMS enables easy integration with all other software, thus bringing ease of use to the entire tech stack. AI-powered predictive analytics in this regard helps admins understand future trends and plan financial workforce development accordingly. No two financial professionals are alike, and neither should their learning paths be. eLearning offers customized experiences for individual growth. Financial companies can anticipate a heightened ROI through a sustainable training approach designed specifically for them. Hurix Digital understands the ever-changing needs of the finance sector. With our tailored e-learning solutions, we transform traditional finance learning into a growth-driven online experience. Empower your workforce with knowledge that warrants growth and innovation. Elevate your finance learning with Hurix.com.